In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward your Gmail to another Gmail account. This process can be extremely useful if you manage multiple email accounts and prefer to receive all your emails in one place. It will save you from the hassle of constantly checking different accounts, allowing you to streamline your email management and make your communication more efficient. First off, let's start by logging into the Gmail account from which you want to forward emails. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of your Gmail interface and find the gear icon. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, select See All Settings to enter the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. This will open up a series of options related to email forwarding and protocols. Now focus on the top section of this tab, which is specifically about forwarding. Click on Add a Forwarding Address. A new window will prompt you to enter the email address you want your emails to be forwarded to, so type in your desired Gmail address and click Next. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation, and you will need to click Proceed to move forward. After you proceed, Gmail will send a confirmation code to the email address you entered. Now switch over to the secondary Gmail account you've designated for receiving forwarded emails. Locate the confirmation email sent by Gmail, open it, and find the confirmation code inside. Head back to the main Gmail account where we're setting up the forwarding and enter this code in the Forwarding and POP IMAP Settings tab to verify. Once you've entered the code, click on Verify. Next, you need to decide what Gmail should do with the emails it forwards. Still in the Settings menu, choose from the actions listed in the drop-down menu next to Forward a copy of incoming mail. You can opt to keep a copy in the inbox, archive it, or delete it after forwarding. Choose the option that best suits your needs for email organization. Finally, make sure you scroll down and hit Save Changes to apply the new settings. That's it. Your Gmail is now set to forward incoming emails to your chosen account. Remember, if at any time you want to disable forwarding, you can simply return to the Forwarding and POP IMAP Settings tab and select Disable Forwarding. This whole process makes managing multiple Gmail accounts much easier and ensures you're always up to date with your email correspondence, regardless of which account people are sending emails to. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your email management.